The last class we are studying about the internal internal organs of the body, isn't it? There are two types of organs, that is internal organ and the external organ. Internal organs which cannot see through our naked eyes, which we cannot see through our own eyes. It is inside our body. We can feel it. Heart, brain, kidney, stomach, bones and muscles, isn't it? Now, in today's class, we are going to learn about the external organs. External organs. What do you mean by external organs? External organs are organs which can see by our eyes. We can see directly. Can you tell me which are the parts of the body we can see? External organs is eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, hand, leg, hands. These are the external body which can be seen through our eyes. That is called external organ. External organs are the organs which can be seen through our eyes. Just have a look of picture, children. Parts of the body. You can see, no? Eyes, ears, nose, leg, knee. You can see your knee, foot, thighs, hands, face, hair. You can see all this, isn't it? Already you have learned about the parts of the body and internal organs. Now we are going to learn important thing is that about 5 sense organs. Hope everybody have learned that, isn't it? 5 sense organs. Can you tell me which are the 5 sense organs, children? Yes. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Yes. These are the 5 sense organs. Can you tell me which are the 5 sense organs? In today's class, we are learning more about the 5 sense organs. First one, can you tell me? Eyes, ears, nose, then so these are the 5 sense of eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. There are 5 sense organs, isn't it, children? So eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now we know about the 5 sense organs. Which are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, isn't it? Now let us see what is the use of the eyes. Can you show me your eyes? Blink, blink. Yes. Can you see I am blinking? This is a part of the eyes in our body. It is in the face. You can see eyes, isn't it? Yes. Eyes. Eyes help us to what? To see, isn't it? Just close your eyes for a 2 seconds. Can you see what is there? Just to be blindfolded. You cannot identify what is there, isn't it? Very important. Eyes help us to see. Now, if I show this color, you will identify. This is orange color. This is green color. You will identify by looking at the sketch pens, isn't it? By our eyes. Eyes help us to see. Now, we know eyes help us to see. Now, there are main function of the eyes. There are two divisions in that. One is eyelash and eyelids. Eyelash and eyelids in our eyes. You can say eyelids and eyelashes. This is the eye. The soft muscle is the eyelids. You can see the soft muscle in the eyes are called eyelids. Eyelashes are the thin hair like a structure. You can see this attached to the eyelids, thin hair. Thin hair like a structure. That is eyelashes. Thin hair like a structure is there. That is eyelashes, and a soft muscle. It is nothing but eyelids. Now, what is the function of the eyes? Let us see. How do we take care of our eyes? Don't rub your eyes. See, always don't rub. Rubbing means don't rub your eyes often, because it may hurt, and we also feel like a blind, can't sadila sarige. So don't rub your eyes. Use the water or anything, wash your hands, just touch the eyes with your wet kerchief. Okay, don't rub it. If anything happens, don't rub it. Just touch the eyes with a wet handkerchief. Got it? And always read under proper light. While reading the books or writing work is done, please kindly use a proper light. Don't use a dim light which cannot be seen. Okay, you will be blinking, so we may spoil our eyes. Okay. Next one, don't watch television for a long time. See, if you watch television for a long time, our eyes gets watered and the tears will come from our eyes. So don't watch a television for a long time. If you like to watch cartoon, watch for 5 to 10 minutes, take rest. Okay children, don't watch for 2 hours, 3 hours, continuous watching of the TV is very harmful for our eyes. Wash your eyes with cold water every day. See, to keep ourselves clean, wash your eyes with a clean water, cold water. Don't pour hot water, just splashing the eyes or face. It may burn, face may burn, eyes may get irritated. Okay, these are the things you have to take care of your eyes. Now let us move on to the ears. Now, once if I clap the hands, you can feel that sound, isn't it? Oh, ma'am is clapping the hands. Okay, if I do like this, yes. Now, when I clap the hands, when I drop the chalk down, you will hear the sound, isn't it? So, ears help us to listen, isn't it? You will be murmuring, no, when I am taking the class, you will be murmuring, isn't it? So, that's nothing but you are listening, isn't it? Ear help us to listen. When I am taking the class, you will be alert what Satyam is telling, isn't it? So, here, ears are also divided into 3 parts. Ears are divided into 3 parts. Outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Ears are divided into 3 types. ear. Outer ear. The outer ear hears the sound first, and the middle ear is nothing but it goes inside like this, like a big middle ear. It travels. Whatever I say, you are heard by the outer ears first, and sound travels through the middle ear. Then next is the inner ear. Inner ear is a eardrum will be there like a drum shape. They will be hearing the sound correctly through that. Okay. Ears have been divided into three parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Sound travels to outer ear first. We hear through the outer ears. It travels to the middle ear, and then it comes to the inner ear. So you must be very careful about the ear. Now let us see how to take care of our ears. Never put any sharp or a pointed object inside the ear. See, when you sharpen the pencil, you have got a bad habit poking to your ears and seeing, see my pencil is very sharp and poke like this, isn't it? So you are not supposed to do like that, because it harms our ears. Not only pencil sharpener or anything, but any sharp object or nothing should be put to our ears. Okay. And avoid listening loud music. You can hear the music, reduce your volume so that it won't disturb any other surroundings. You can hear melodiously. Okay, loud means disturbing others even, and you are spoiling your ears, isn't it? So it is very harmful for our ears. We should clean our ears with a soft cloth or a earbuds. Always I say, every time, not only teacher, parents, all the elders say, we must clean ourselves, isn't it? So to keep our body clean, we have to take bath. Likewise, after finishing the bath, use the earbuds to clean the ears, because dust particles from the outside will sit inside the ears. Got it, children? So you always must clean the ears, but with the help of mama or papa. Okay, got it? So today we have learned about two things, that is, one is eyes and the ears, isn't it? What are the five sense organs are there? In that, two sense organs we have learned. Now in the next class we will learn more about the